And here is how Ozil scored his goal, guys. And basically, the plan today was that the team should try by all means to give the balls to Ozil so he can create, right? Ozil and Ceballos, but by this time Ceballos was had been substituted, so Ozil was the only guy left, and he showed why. Because he got his ball straight from here, drove it in, and then he passed the ball to Pepe. Pepe laid the ball off to Lacazette, and Lacazette, I think he was trying to score actually. He ended up doing a bicycle kick pass to Ozil, who just tapped the ball in and scored his first goal in 10 months for Arsenal. So well done, Ozil. Thank you so much.